In Atlanta, Georgia in 1982, Michael Hardwick received a citation for public drinking, and a warrant was issued for his arrest when he missed his court date. Hardwick paid off the fine, and the warrant was cancelled, but police went to his home to issue the warrant anyway. A house guest invited them in, and police went into Hardwick's bedroom to find him, where they found Hardwick engaged in consensual oral sex with a male friend. Both men were arrested, having violated Georgia's sodomy laws, which stated that only vaginal sex was permissible. Any anal or oral sex between straight or gay partners was illegal, and was punishable by 1 to 20 years in prison, the same sentence given for those convicted of aggravated battery or first-degree arson. Although the state dropped the charges, Hardwick decided to sue Michael Bowers, the Attorney General in Georgia, in an effort to change the laws. The American Civil Liberties Union agreed to represent Hardwick. The state ultimately ruled in favor of Bowers, enforcing the anti-sodomy laws. On an appeal, the district court then ruled in favor of Hardwick, saying that the laws were invalid. And so in 1985, the case reached the Supreme Court. A heterosexual couple, using aliases John and Jane Doe, considered joining the lawsuit, stating that they wanted the right to engage in consensual anal sex as a married couple without fear of prosecution, but they failed to obtain standing and were dropped from the suit. In time, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of enforcing the sodomy laws in a split 5-4 decision. Quote, "To hold that the act of homosexual sodomy is somehow protected as a fundamental right would be to cast aside millennia of moral teaching." End quote. In response to an argument that individuals have a right to privacy and choice, and that includes homosexuals, the court stated that, quote, "To claim that a right to engage in such conduct is deeply rooted in this nation's history and tradition, or implicit in the concept of ordered liberty, is at best facetious." End quote. One judge went on record to state that this law applied to homosexual couples only, and that he had no opinion about sodomy between heterosexual couples. 17 years later, in 2003, the Supreme Court reversed its decision from Bowers v. Hardwick in the historic Lawrence v. Texas case, stating that sodomy laws are indeed unconstitutional. But by this point, many individual states had already reversed their anti-sodomy laws.